I'm Isabel Canalejo. I'm from Madrid, Spain, and I'll be an incoming freshman in the dual BA program between Trinity College Dublin and Columbia University. When I first heard about Columbia's internship opportunities, I was eager to apply because I was looking for a way to get started and get involved with the Columbia community and also work for a nonprofit that was providing COVID-19 relief. I'm working as a documentation and communication intern at YUVA, which is an incredible nonprofit that's based in Mumbai. YUVA focuses mostly on providing aid to many communities in the Mumbai metropolitan region, and now with the pandemic is helping migrant workers return home, providing basic supplies to families, and also educating people on sanitary measures to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. So far, I've worked on 3 different projects with YUVA. The first involved researching what proper language and terminology nonprofits should use in their communications, and then I compiled all the information I found and put it into an inclusive writing document that YUVA could refer to with their future posts and reports. This was very interesting to me because I've been involved in my school student newspaper and look forward to continuing with journalism in college, so it really solidified my understanding of the importance of proper language. My second task with YUVA was to write a detailed situational analysis about the hardships of those living in the city of Asai. This is a region that has already struggled from the negative consequences of rapid urbanization, and now with the COVID-19 lockdown, its residents' livelihoods have been especially affected. The situational analysis combined a variety of materials, so I looked at lots of academic journals, articles, and also the testimonies from on-ground YUVA volunteers so that I could best reflect the situation there in the situational analysis. Currently, I'm working on helping write the report for Javeen Rap, which is a collaborative initiative between YUVA, UNICEF, other universities, and organizations. The initiative mostly helps provide essential supplies to traveling migrant workers that are going back to their villages due to the COVID-19 lockdown. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, I wasn't able to go to Mumbai for the internship, but in spite of all the challenges, YUVA has done a great job keeping me in the loop and making me feel like I was part of the team and their work. We held weekly meetings where I was discussing my projects and getting feedback, which were fine because fortunately there's only a 3.5-hour time difference. I really look forward to the rest of my internship with YUVA and hopefully getting more involved with them in the future.